I in the stock market. Artificial intelligence is transforming the stock market by making trading faster, smarter, and more reliable. From predictive analytics to robo-advisors, AI is now a core driver of modern financial strategies. Algorithmic trading. AI-powered algorithms automatically analyze market conditions and execute trades. This removes emotional biases, speeds up transactions, and ensures decisions are based purely on data and preset strategies. Predictive analytics. AI models forecast stock price movements by recognizing patterns in historical data, technical indicators, and global economic trends. These insights give traders an edge in anticipating market behavior. Sentiment analysis. AI scans vast amounts of unstructured data from financial news, analyst reports, and even social media posts. By gauging public sentiment, it helps traders understand how emotions and opinions might impact market movements. Automated portfolio management. AI-powered robo-advisors automatically manage investment portfolios. They rebalance assets and provide personalized recommendations, optimizing returns while aligning with each investor's risk tolerance and goals. High-frequency trading, HFT. In high-frequency trading, AI executes transactions in fractions of a second. By exploiting tiny price differences across markets, it creates profits at speeds impossible for human traders. Risk management. AI continuously monitors investments and trading activities in real time. It identifies potential risks, flags unusual activity, and provides early warnings to minimize financial losses. Data analysis and pattern recognition. AI can process enormous data sets and uncover hidden correlations, patterns, and trends that humans would never notice. This capability enables smarter, data-driven trading decisions. Arbitrage opportunities. AI simultaneously scans multiple markets to spot price differences for the same asset. By exploiting these arbitrage opportunities, traders can generate low-risk profits efficiently. ESG integration. AI is also supporting ethical investing. By analyzing environmental, social, and governance data, it helps investors identify companies with sustainable practices, aligning profitability with responsibility.